Hello everyone, in this video we are going to cover the current affairs of second week of April 2021. So let's move on to the first question. Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of Small Industry Development Bank of India, SIDBI? So he is as Ramana. The headquarters of SIDBI is in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Name the initiative jointly launched by Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan and Tribal Affairs Minister Arjun Munda to enhance the health and nutrition status of the tribal communities. The name is Anamya. The Reserve Bank of India has enhanced the limit of maximum balance at the end of the day maintained in payment bank from 1 lakh to what per individual customer. It is now 2 lakh. What is the increased limit of the way and means advances for the state governments and union territories? It is now 47,010 crore. Earlier it was 32,225 crore. Which entity has proposed to construct and publish a financial inclusion index FI index based on multiple parameters? It has been proposed by RBI. Maruti Suzuki has signed a memorandum of understanding with which bank to offer auto finance deals to customers. So it has been signed with Karnataka Bank. What is the name of artificial intelligence portal launched by the Supreme Court of India? The name is SUPES. First meeting on joint working group on counter-terrorism, countering violent extremism and de-radicalization between India and which country? So it is between India and Maldives. The Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank launched the world's first microsensor-based explosive trace detector called what? It is called Nano Sniffer. Which payment bank has launched its new Rewards 123 saving account which provides customer with perks and rewards? So it is launched by Airtel Payment Bank. And remember, Airtel Payment Bank is the first payment bank to receive license from RBI in way back 2016. Which state appointed Sonu Sood as state's COVID vaccination ambassador? He is appointed by the government of Punjab. India has recently agreed to institute a strategic partnership on water with which country? So it is with Netherlands. What is the new loan limit under priority sector lendings against negotiable warehouse receipts or electronics negotiable warehouse receipt as prescribed by the Reserve Bank of India? So it is now 75 lakh. Earlier it was 50 lakh. Which country has become the first to ratify the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement? So it is Singapore. This Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, the world's largest free trade agreement, which is led by China, and India had opted out of it in 2019. Union Minister for Sports and Youth Affairs Sri Kiran Rijiju inaugurated Khelo India State Centre of Excellence for rowing discipline in which city or union territory? It is in Jammu Kashmir. Education ministers launched implementation plan Sartak for school education. Second A in Sartak stands for what? It stands for advancement. The full form of Sartak is students and teacher holistic advancement through quality education. Which of the following country has named Nora Al Matrusu as its first female astronaut? So it is UAE. Lost golden city of Luxor discovered by archaeologists in which country? So it is discovered in Egypt. It is 3400-year-old was built by Amenhotep III. Who has been awarded Sir Richard Hadley Medal? He is Kane Williamson from New Zealand. Which entity has launched Poshan Gyan, a national digital repository on health and nutrition in partnership with Bill Melinda Gates Foundation and Center for Social and Behavior Change, Ashoka University? It is launched by Niti Aayog. Guillermo Lasso elected new president of which country? He has been elected new president of Ecuador. What is capital of Niger? The capital of Niger is Niamey. Recently, Mahamudu has been re-elected new Prime Minister of Niger. If we talk about other option, Suva is capital of Fiji, Yerevan is capital of Nauru, and Windhoek is capital of Namibia. What is the name of the e-marketplace that will connect aqua farmers and the buyers launched by Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal? The name is eShanta. Who has been inducted into the WWE Hall of Fame class of 2021? He is Great Khali. What is the name of India's first female cricketer commentator who passed away recently? The name is Chandra Naidu. FIFA has suspended the football governing body of Chad and which country? It is Chad and Pakistan. Who has been appointed as the Chief Election Commissioner of India? He is Sushil Chandra. Which two Asian countries has launched the construction of an international center for trade and economic cooperation named Central Asia? That is launched by Uzbekistan and Kazakhstan. In association with which bank, the Niti Aayog has developed first of its kind online dispute resolution handbook, that is with ICICI Bank. Bharti AXA Life Insurance and which small financial bank have joined hands for bank insurance partnership under which the bank will sell insurance policies to its customer. It is with Fincare Small Finance Bank. Its headquarters is in Ahmedabad. Sanskrit learning app Little Guru unveiled in which country? It is unveiled in Bangladesh. Which city issued India's first municipal green bond? It is Ghaziabad. Which mutual fund company became first mutual fund company to cross 5 lakh crore average assets under management? It is SBI Mutual Fund. Axis Bank becomes co-promoter of which insurance company? It became co-promoter of Max Life Insurance. The Reserve Bank of India has announced to conduct the open market purchase for government securities of how much amount under the GSEC acquisition program in the first quarter of 2021 to 22. It is 1 lakh crore. Which paramilitary forces celebrates Valor Day Shaurya Divas on 9th April every year? It is celebrated by CRPF paramilitary forces. Which country will host the 22nd Laureus World Sports Award? It will be hosted by Spain. What is the capital of Rwanda country? It is Kigali. Where is Bugamal National Park located? It is located in Maharashtra. India contributed how much amount to United Nations Trust Fund for Counter-Terrorism? It is $5 lakh. Jallianwala Bagh massacre is observed on which date? It is observed on 13th April every year. Balbir Singh Jr. passed away recently. He is related to which sports? He is related to hockey. Recently, 2021 Resina Dialogue was inaugurated by Narendra Modi and it was the 6th edition. The theme of this event was Viral World, Outbreaks, Outliers and Out of Control. And the chief guests in this dialogue were President of Rwanda Paul Kagame and Prime Minister of Denmark Mette Frederiksen. So these were the most important questions from the second week of April 2021. If you find our content relevant, you can subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.